In this tutorial, I will show you how to batch create a month worth of Instagram content in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Instagram Post. This will open a square canvas that fits perfectly for Instagram. Next, choose a template that matches the style you want for your Instagram feed. Canva offers many ready-made templates that you can customize. After selecting a template, edit the design by changing the text, colors, and images to match your brand. This design will act as the base layout for all your posts. Now, prepare the content for your posts. Create a list of captions, quotes, tips, or messages in a spreadsheet such as Excel or Google Sheets. Each row should contain the text for one Instagram post. Save the spreadsheet as a CSV file. Return to Canva and open the Apps section from the left panel. Search for Bulk Create and upload your CSV file. Once the file is uploaded, connect the text field in your design to the column from your spreadsheet. After connecting the data, click Generate Designs. Canva will automatically create multiple pages using the text from your spreadsheet. Each page will become a different Instagram post based on your template. Review the generated posts and make small adjustments if needed. When everything looks good, click Share and then download to export all the posts so they are ready to upload to Instagram.